Step into a world of crisp luxury with Dolce Frutti's Gravenstein Apples, the rare gem of the orchard, bursting with nature's finest flavor.
Marvel at the Gravenstein's vivid tapestry, green, red, and gold, crowned with faint stripes. Its tender flesh yields a soft, juicy bite, perfect for fresh eating, pastries, or rustic cider.
Not just a treat, but a nourishing delight. Gravenstein apples are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants to support vitality, skin health, and energy. They're an excellent choice for a nutritious snack.
For any creation, Gravenstein apples shine in savory salads, sweet pies, and hearty cider. Available in sizes from 3 pounds to a bountiful 16 pounds, and elegant gift boxes for special occasions.
Delivered fresh to your doorstep with free expedited shipping on all orders across the U.S. Bring home the taste of Gravenstein apples today, Dolce Frutti style,